Hey everybody, I wanted to let you all know, first of all, thank you all for 500 subscribers, and I wanted to let you all know what's going on with the channel. This channel, CharestStudios, was first made for my business, CharestStudios. I'm an artist. I do wire work, mobiles, lots of baskets. I have a whole line of wire baskets. I like to paint, I like to do collage. So I'm going to be, with this channel, what I want to do is I'm going to do a lot more hydroponic videos, but I'm also going to be doing some videos about my work and my process, and maybe some how-to and some around the studio stuff. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to categorize the videos into playlists. So if you want to just come and just follow the hydroponics, you'll just look at the hydroponics playlist, and all the videos will be on hydroponics. And then I'll have ones for art and the studio. I'll try to have like 3 or 4 categories, and then you can just select the categories you're interested in, or you can just of course just watch them all, whatever you guys like. But I'm gonna I'll show you a little bit around in the greenhouse, what's going on now, and then I was going to go into the studio and show you guys around my studio and show you some of the stuff I do. Let's go and take a look at what's going on in this greenhouse, and then we'll go in and take a look in the studio. So it's still pretty early in the season here, but I've been bringing, well, I leave the any plants that are in the cabbage family I've been leaving out here. But like the tomatoes and stuff, I bring them back into my studio, and they're just in mason jars. So those I'm going to try to get into buckets very soon, maybe this weekend. And these peppers, I want to get those into hydroponic setups. I'm just going to leave them in the cups they're in, like I did with the watermelon, and I just put slits in the cup and some more extra holes in the bottom, and then cut a hole in the bucket lid to fit this, and so I don't need a net cup, and I can just let it stay where it is. Here's a little radish. I'm trying a different type of radish. This is a purple triton radish, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to throw I'm going to get some of these going and throw them in the bucket, because my other radishes, the China Rose, are almost done. I got a bunch of those little purple tritons in this container, and I'll probably put those into the bucket. And there's my chard, which I love the way the chard looks, and the grow pipe. I made a bunch of grow pipes over the weekend. I was working on the grow pipes, so I've got some stocked up. I just got to get some extra pipe stands, but I've got enough for a while. So if anybody wants a grow pipe, they're over on my my Etsy shop, CharestStudios. I got some Brussels sprouts back here, and I bought a 27-gallon tote, and I'm going to try to put all 6 Brussels sprouts in the tote maybe. But yeah, so we'll go in, I'll show you around the studio, show you some of the other stuff that I do. I'll give you all a quick look around the studio, and then maybe I'll show you some of my my items, my more popular items. This plant rack is where I keep my hydroponic stuff when it's not in the greenhouse, and in the winter time. Just have some house plants on there now. This little like office or cube, that's where I do my painting, some of my smaller paintings and mixed media work. I also have an easel out here for some bigger paintings. Let's start over here. These are my large sphere baskets. They come with a liner. It's a hanging basket for fruit or veggies. And this is my shipping table. some lights. I do some lamps. That's a funky one. And this is the small hanging sphere basket. And then I have versions that go on the wall back here. So that's a large wall basket. I have small ones. Lots of sculptures. I'll just give you guys a quick overview. You can see there's a big mobile that's moving around up there now. Here's some of the, there's one of my collages. It's the type of, I like to do abstract collage, abstract painting. So I'll be doing a lot of different videos, but like I said, you can just look at the playlists, see what you like. There's some, I have some onion and garlic baskets over there. We'll go up into the front, and over here we just have some few of my collages and smaller abstract paintings. Another mobile here. Well, anyway, thanks for taking a look, everybody.